Best Hatchbacks Car for 2025 to 2024 MINI Electric Hardtop. The 2024 MINI Electric Hardtop has been named the best hatchback car for 2025, thanks to its combination of iconic design, fun-to-drive performance, and eco-friendly technology. As MINI's first all-electric vehicle, the electric hardtop offers a stylish and practical option for those seeking a compact car with zero emissions. Dynamic electric performance. The 2024 MINI Electric Hardtop is equipped with a 32.6 kWh battery that powers a 181 horsepower electric motor. This setup provides a spirited driving experience, with the electric hardtop accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.9 seconds. The vehicle offers an estimated range of up to 114 miles on a full charge, making it ideal for urban commutes and short trips. The fast charging capability allows for an 80% charge in about 36 minutes using a DC fast charger, ensuring minimal downtime. Iconic design and practicality. True to MINI's design philosophy, the 2024 electric hardtop features the brand's classic styling with a modern twist. The hatchback's compact size and distinctive design elements, including a bold grille and round headlights, give it a unique presence on the road. Inside, the electric hardtop offers a high-quality, driver-focused cabin with customizable ambient lighting and premium materials. Despite its small footprint, the vehicle provides ample cargo space, making it practical for daily use. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 MINI Electric Hardtop comes equipped with a 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Standard safety features include a rear-view camera, automatic emergency braking, and forward collision warning. Available upgrades add features such as adaptive cruise control and parking sensors, enhancing convenience and safety. Eco-friendly and enjoyable. The MINI Electric Hardtop's electric powertrain not only contributes to a cleaner environment but also offers a quiet, responsive driving experience. Its combination of iconic design, advanced technology, and fun performance makes it a standout choice in the hatchback segment. Conclusion. The 2024 MINI Electric Hardtop shines as the best hatchback car for 2025, offering a compelling mix of style, performance, and sustainability. It's an excellent option for drivers seeking an eco-friendly vehicle that doesn't compromise on driving pleasure or practicality.